So we're with this. I think we do goal song as well as the horn, because Anaheim's tough for me. Okay, relax, Arizona. You're bad. Period. So the Ducks, I'm going to give A tier. I'm not a huge fan of the goal horn, but the song itself is an S tier song. 1 sec. I'm updating my fucking record here. Oops. Tell me if this is too loud for you guys too, by the way. Okay, so a garbage song, not a great goal horn. The howl's kind of neat. I'm gonna go D tier with Arizona. Hate the goal horn. I think with that one, Boston's. Yeah, Howlin' for You's a bad song, Slothy. I'm in between here. In between B and C for Boston. Because, like, the song is so good. Fuck. We'll go C. I just like these fucking goal horns suck. They're so bad. Yeah, that's my thought too, Aussie. Okay, hold on. Let's open this up on YouTube. What the fuck is that? Is this real? This sounds pretend. The horn's okay. Like, what is this? What the fuck even is that? Papa what? Papa what? Dude, no, what is this fucking song? I kind of, like, dude, it's such a stupid song, I almost love this. But it also sounds like something out of a fucking children's TV show. That's fuck. We'll give it a B. We'll give it a B. It's very funny, and that's why I like it. I don't know. It's very funny to me. The goal horn itself is decent. This is strictly coming from an Edmonton Oilers fan. This is the most played out goal song in the entire NHL, and it needs to stop. It's TNT, if you guys were unaware. Calgary. You're getting a D tier, buddy. Sorry, but it's got to happen. Not sure I like Carolina's either. That's very deep. Was this a goal song too? Like, are these for real? Like, what is this goal song they have on here? See, I'm thinking C for this. Like, it's not as like. So Carolina we're at. The Boston one, for example, like there's something like. You know what I mean? Like, it sounds like a foghorn almost. I guess Carolina's kind of the same. Yeah, it's not great. We'll throw you bottom tier. Like, if Boston's only saving grace was the song, there's no way we can rank Carolina higher. This is a classic. I don't love this, but Chicago's a fucking classic. It's fine. We'll go B with Chicago. Chelsea Dagger's elite. Goalhorn is that. Yeah, see, exactly, Slothy. That is 100% my thoughts. I'm glad we're all on the same page here. I like your guys' style. I don't know if I like goal horns. like, why do none of these sound good? This may be the best horn we've heard yet. That may be the best horn we've heard yet. Not sure I love this song. Oh, the hey, hey, hey is fun though. I think we'll go B tier with Colorado as well. I don't think I like this. And it's multiple songs put together. And the cannon. So hold on, that. We also have to include the fact that there's a fucking cannon that shoots off. But I don't like that. Like, I'm not. Like, why is it two different songs? Fuck. We're gonna go C. We're gonna go C. I do love and hate the cannon though. Maybe I shouldn't be wearing headphones for this. That's kind of sick. Fuck you, Morgan. Love you too. Dickhead. Go to sleep. So the horn's okay. But this is cool. I think we're going with A for that one, you guys. I have never heard this before. Like, this is brand new to me. That kind of rocks. We'll go A with Dallas. Ooh, I don't like that. There's not enough weight behind it. That goal song alone is the reason Detroit hasn't made the playoffs in 10 years. You're getting a D, boys. I don't think I like the new Oilers one. If anybody's not following me right now and you would like to follow, please do, because I have the Oilers' old goal horn as my fucking alert sound. Actually, hold on. I can probably just bring it up. So that is perfect. That is a perfect goal horn. The new one, this is from the new building, for sure. Oh. I don't think I like that. The goal song's good. Honestly, boys, I think Edmonton might fall into C. If it was the old arena, I would certainly put them as like fucking S tier. I don't know. Something about the new one just like it's just not right. What do we have next? I think you guys changed your goal song, and I think it's going to break my fucking heart, Slothy. But this is from 2022, so this one might still be. With the Panther, too? Okay. I think that's got to be our first S tier. Sweetness, a good goal horn. You have player customized. Honestly, man, that breaks my fucking heart. So we're going. Okay, we're stepping back a year for this one, you guys. Good goal horn, cool Panther sound, and with sweetness. That's going to be our first S tier of the night. Song's a classic. Don't like that. You gotta, honestly, you guys, you gotta love the ones that get the fans involved. Like the hey, hey, hey thing. Like, the goal horn's bad, but I like that. We're gonna give him a C. It would have been a D, but I like the fucking hey, hey, hey. I can't with these kind of goal songs, you guys. They're so bad. The horn itself is okay, but that's just a car horn. Makes you irk? Hold on, which one is the wild one or the Habs? The Habs just straight up sounds like a car. And goes on for too long. But I do like the haze. We'll give him a C. I love Habs' song, The Wild Makes Me Irk. Okay, yeah, dude, for real, for real. why are teams doing this? Like, is a goal song not supposed to, like, get your fucking fans excited? Get your team fucking pumped up? Like, this was the Oilers' goal song for a number of years. And it just makes so much sense. Like, as, like, an Alberta hockey team, like, this is such a dumb song, but is so good at, like, just getting your team pumped the fuck up. And I'm sure you all know this fucking song. But this, like, I don't know, this song just feels like Zach Cassian scored a goal for me. It's just that kind of guy. Where are ya? Give me a yeah. Stand up right now. It's some old man rock, but it's fucking, it fits. But then you have, like, the wild and, like, I gotta hear the horn again. Don't like the song, but the horn's decent, though. The horn's decent. Maybe B. I like the horn. But it is Nashville, so the song does make a bit of sense. But, like, I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about it. This is one of the best goal songs in the NHL. We're going to throw that song on the queue. Fuck's that band called? Horn's decent. I'll give New Jersey an A. When I was like 10 or 11... You'd say D, to be honest. Really, Aussie. I am fucking in love with the song they use. And the horns... Hold on one sec. We'll go B. We'll go B. The horn's not the best. The song's incredible. We'll go with the B. When I was like 10 or 11, I was playing hockey against someone, and it was second period. A kid, like, charges at me looking to cross-check me. He does. Then it leads into a fight. That fucking sucks. I hope you kicked his ass, Poppy. I was standing, like, on the goal line, and some guy hit me so hard that I hit my head on, like, the corner of the boards. It sucked. That's just so, like, meh. That was so meh. What song is it, Sloppy? I like that. The horn's all right, though. Like, that's just like another B tier one for me. You knocked his tooth out? Fucking attaboy. this is the song they use as their goal song? Blur? This is Blur, right? If I'm not mistaken. Alex, what's up, dude? How are you? I hope you're having a lovely evening. I'm not sure I love it as a goal song in 2022, but it'll get a solid B. I don't know, man. I feel like S and A tier are reserved for the best, obviously. 3 a.m. for you, dude. I feel you. So I live on the West Coast, and I haven't always lived here. So I have a bunch of East Coast viewers, and back in the day, I was an hour ahead of where I am now, so it was all good. Well, not all good, but closer. But now it's just turning midnight for me. And yeah, out on the East Coast, it's 3 a.m. It's fucking insane. I respect you all for doing it, and thank you all for being here. It means the world to me that you're willing to stay up till 3, 4 a.m. to hang out. Aggressive. Shit. Alex, thank you so much for the follow. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Kane's at D. Thank you, Slavi. What was the Canes one? I gotta we'll go back to it. Oh, yeah. Right. That's why. With a wax song too. Yeah, Philly can sit in C. I don't really like that too much. Another incident last week, I was playing against the same team and the same thing happened, but the cops came. Poppy, what? Please give me more information. Why did the cops come? That's fucked. That's good. Andrew WK, no shit. Let's go. Okay, Pittsburgh's getting a fucking A for that. Decent, good goal horn. Perfectly fine goal horn. And such a good song. I saw the guy that sings this song, I saw him in Chicago at Riot Fest, and his stage was on a baseball diamond, and it was so fucking dusty. My clothes were covered in dirt at the end, and I couldn't breathe. That's how dusty it was. It was fucking insane. Devils, Canes, Leafs, Kraken, Wild, Ducks, Blackhawks, Stars, Knights, Lightning, Sharks, Flames, Avs, Panthers, Isles, Jets, Canucks, Bruins, Red Wings, Sabres, Caps, Habs fan. Holy fuck. That's half the league, dude. I mean, I respect it. That's cool. But, Jesus Christ. That's excessive. Pens is S tier for you. I'm not sure if I'd go quite S. Okay, maybe. Maybe S. There's somewhere in between. I like Florida's more. So why so many teams, Alex? What is that all about? That's fucking crazy. My punches were harder and we both got kicked out. We've seen each other in the entrance, and the same thing happened. Oh, that is tough. That is bad. That's super fair. I once had a kid's dad spit on me. That's the farthest it's gotten off the ice, though. I'm sorry to hear that, though. That's super fucked up. Try not to fight outside of hockey. That's bad. Like, that's bad. No shit. Are you serious? No way. Alex, come on, man. The Oilers are so sick, though. Why do you hate the Oilers and Pens? And Flyers? Flyers, fair enough. Flyers are dinks. But, like, come on, man. It's just the little Oilers. They don't do anything wrong. They're some good guys. So this, like, the horn's, like, fine. But this is amazing. I don't even know what the song's called, but, like, oh, it's so good. We're going to go B. You hate Crosby and McDavid. Okay, so, I mean, it's fair, though, Aussie. Like, back before the McDavid times, I was not a big fan of Sidney Crosby. So I get it. I certainly get it. But that's crazy, dude. To be a fan of 22 teams, and Crosby and McDavid are the reason you don't like the like two of the best teams in the league is wild. They're tryhards? Of course they're tryhards, dude. It's the best league in the world. You're crazy. Matthew Tkachuk over both Crosby and McDavid, maybe in the fucking... I don't know. I'm too tired to come up with anything creative. I'm sorry. Okay. Whatever you say, you biased little man. It's very Seattle. So the horn's okay. But I don't like Nirvana. Like, at all. Like, I really dislike Nirvana. I'll go C. D's unfortunately got to be reserved for, like, the worst of the worst. And I wouldn't say it's the worst of the worst, but I do really dislike the song. Slothy, I don't know why. Something about Nirvana is always just not sat really. Just grunge in general, actually, is just not really for me. That's worse than you saying my favorite players are mid. Bro, that's because your favorite... Okay, but that one's at least true. Like, I get why people like Nirvana. They're just not for me. But your favorite players are mid. See, I like that. The horn's okay. It does have that airiness behind it that I don't really like. I hate this, whatever the hell this is. You know, I like the crowd stuff, but the Let's Go Blues, like, I don't know, that's always been sick to me. We'll go C. I don't think it's D, guys. You have to remember, fellas, like, Arizona's in D, Calgary's in D, fucking Minnesota's in D. Like, these are, like, the worst ones are D. If it went to F, for sure, they would be a D, but I don't think we can go quite down to D. They're starting to hurt my ears. Something about this gives me a headache. Like, is it just me, or if any of you are listening with headphones, tell me. Like, is there like a screech to this? Tampa's A, you're nuts, dude. You people are crazy. Like, it's not awful. I wouldn't put it on D. But there's something about it that just is like it just like, I don't know. There's like a weird background, like screech isn't even the right word. I gotta stop listening to that. It is honest to God giving me a headache. Toronto's is good, but the song is so bad. The song is so bad, you guys. And it honest to God, it kicked off, maybe not, but it kicked off the like stupid song, goal songs. And I will never forgive them for that. I can't. I hate, dude, honestly, Alex, I hate the song that much. Like, you can call me no fun and you can call me old for sure. I just fucking can't with that song. That's their goal song. See, I'm not... Okay, so, Alex, I'm not saying it's a bad song. Like, I don't think the Hall & Out song itself is bad. I just think it is a really bad goal song. I guess. I don't know. It's not offensive, but it's not incredible. Same with Vegas. Vegas and Vancouver both. It's like they just don't stand out like in any great way to me. This is fucking horrible. S for Caps, you guys are fucking crazy. The siren's bad. The horn is appalling. I got is like a Mack truck horn, and I do not like it. That's a bad one too. Winnipeg, I'll give a C as well. Yeah, C or D. C or D for Winnipeg as well. I'm with you guys on that. And it's for that same airy reason, right? So, boys, we're going to go over here. Can I fucking... God damn it. Let me do this. Get fucked. Okay, so the two S tiers here. I don't know if we're playing any more NHL tonight, you guys. This has been a long stream of like, not fucking around by any means, but like, boy, we have not been playing. So this one. So what's funny about that Panther sound? Psycho, by the way. What the fuck is up, bro? How are you? What's funny about that is I wanted that sound for this. But that's not what a tiger sounds like. It's what a panther sounds like. Because that like that is fucking awesome. Yeah, Slothy, I miss it for you, dude. It breaks my heart that it's no longer the goal song. This is a great goal. I don't know what the fuck I was talking about originally. This is really good. And then... that song fucking rocks. And then we have Anaheim and Dallas are the next two good ones. Not the greatest horn. One of the best goal songs, though. That shit rocks. Where the fuck are you? There we go. The song has... It's an old song. Poppy is fucking basically it. Dallas rocks. What the fuck was that Minecraft zombie sound? What do you mean, Slothy? What Minecraft zombie sound? Me? Like my like that? Oh, dude, Poppy, you're nuts, dude. But then we have this. This is simply one of the worst. Why would you, dude? No, Slothy. Why the fuck would you clip that, man? Come on now. Come on. I thought you were better than this. Like that is fucking awesome. Is that like that is fucking awesome. Is that like that? That's fucking incredible. Is that like that is fucking awesome. Oh, thank you for clipping that. That's amazing. That's literally... I have no idea what a Minecraft zombie sounds like. I'm sorry. simply atrocious. Everything about this is wrong. That sucked. Not good. Aussie, all good, dude. Have a great night. Take care. See you tomorrow. Have a lovely sleep. Bad. This sounds like the trucks that go down the highways, like by my house. So that's it, boys. That's the definitive list of best to worst goal horns and songs in the NHL. There will be no further questions. But now my head is fucking killing.